Starling versus Monzo, which one is better for traveling? Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Starling Bank and Monzo Bank account and which one is better for traveling. So for that I have this table which will demonstrate the difference. So the first thing that we will talk about is free international transaction. Both of these have unlimited. If we talk about free international ATM withdrawal, Starling Bank have unlimited while Monzo have up to 250 EEA and 200 elsewhere. So if we talk about the account types, Starlink has personal, business, and joint type, while Monzo does not have any business. It only have personal and joint. If we talk about the overdraft facility, Monzo have available with varying rates, while Starlink also available with interest rates. If we talk about saving features, the Starling Bank has competitive options roundup savings, while Monzo has saving pods roundup savings. Now, if we talk about the customer support, it have 24 by 7 in-app. Starling have 24 by 7 in-app chat, while Monzo have in-app chat during business hours. If we talk about features, the Starling have budgeting tools, real-time notification, while if we talk about the Monzo, it have budgeting tools and transaction alert. The security measures of Starling Bank is biometric login and card log. And if we talk about the Monzo, it have biometric login and card freeze. If we talk about mobile app rating, the Starlink's mobile app is highly rated and user friendly, and the Monzo one is also highly rated and it is initiative interface. So that's pretty much it. That's what the difference. Hope you guys find this video helpful.